Adversity doesn't characterize you, it refines you. Embrace the battle, for inside it lies the solidarity to reconstruct anew. When life breaks you, it's anything but a sign to give up, yet a call to ascend with more prominent purpose. Your flexibility is the showstopper etched from life's harsh edges. In the substance of difficulty, recollect that messed up pieces can in any case frame a delightful mosaic. Your scars are not indications of rout, but rather of the fights you've courageously fought. Life's most prominent examples frequently rise up out of its most profound injuries. Utilize your brokenness as a venturing stone towards significant development and unshakable strength. Even the most grounded designs can be tried by the tempest. However, it is through the tempest that their actual versatility is uncovered. Stand tall through your preliminaries. The tempest will pass and you will arise stronger. When life breaks your reality, comprehend that each section holds an example. Accumulate them with boldness and intelligence, and reproduce a day-to-day existence that sparkles even brighter. Brokenness isn't an end, however, a start. It is in these cracked minutes that we have the chance to patch ourselves with freshly discovered strength and insight. Let your battles be the fuel that lights your assurance. Each break and break is a chance to reinforce your soul and hoist your soul. The most grounded trees fill in the cruelest circumstances. Permit your preliminaries to be the breeze that twists you, however doesn't break you. Stand firm and let your underlying foundations deepen. Embrace your brokenness as a demonstration of your perseverance. Each challenge confronted is a part in your account of win, uncovering the legend within. When life breaks you, don't let the shards of dissatisfaction characterize you. All things considered, assemble them, and specialty another account of versatility and triumph. Your most prominent strength is many times brought into the world from your most significant battles. Outfit the force of your aggravation to fashion a way to extraordinary greatness. In the minutes when you feel generally broke, recall that each messed up piece of you holds the potential for recovery and recharging. Trust in your capacity to recuperate and grow. Life's cracks are not your demise, but rather your change. Each challenge is an amazing chance to modify yourself more grounded, smarter, and more resilient. When life breaks you, it is an opportunity to revamp with more insight and elegance. Embrace the chance to rise up out of your preliminaries, not as what your identity was, but rather as what your identity is intended to be. Your strength isn't estimated by how you stay solid, yet by how you ascend from the pieces. Embrace the excursion of fix and allow it to uncover the steady soul inside you. The breaks in your heart are the ways through which the radiance of your internal strength sparkles most splendid. Allow your battles to enlighten your excursion towards greatness. Breakdowns are the preface to leap forwards. Believe that the method involved with being broken is preparing for your most exceptional comeback. When you feel broken, recollect that even the most lovely workmanship is frequently made from parts. Your story is being created into something extraordinarily powerful. Resilience is brought into the world from the demonstration of rising again in the wake of being broken. Each time you stand back up, you become a demonstration of the force of getting through strength.